Hey, what's going on, everyone? Today's the 15th of February 2023. Let's talk about Tron today. I'm going to give you all some instances to where you can tell when your original idea is going against you and how you need to follow the market. Because right now in front of you, you guys can see that I was predicting that Tron was going to go lower in price. You know, that was my idea on January the 19th, 2023. I was looking for Tron to move lower. Now, throughout this time from then to now, you guys can clearly tell that the market in Tron has not gone lower, but instead, every opportunity that price has given us weakness, the next day, the market continued to go higher. This gives you an indication of how strong the price is or how strong the market is in Tron. So rather than us being continually bearish or looking for price to go down, the market also tells you when you need to switch sides. This is a very good, strong, healthy market in Tron right now, and I can see it. So rather than me coming in being emotional and nervous and being fidgety, nervous, the market is already telling us what we need to be doing. We need to change this price prediction and play the long side. So let me go ahead. First of all, I'm going to go ahead and cut this prediction out the way. If I were to get out the market in Tron now, you guys can see we'll be down 15.5%. Right here on our resistance area, you guys can even tell that it took a couple of days in the market in Tron to finally break above 6.5 cents. But when it did, it came through and held support right here just yesterday. So we're getting confirmation that the buyers are still willing to take price up in Tron. Okay, so now let's go ahead and cut this price prediction out the way. And already, since we know that the price in Tron is relatively bullish, guess what we're going to do? We're just going to simply put on a prediction looking for the market to go up. If it's not going to go down, then the only option you have is price going up or price continually consolidating. So the first thing we're going to do is going to lift up this horizontal line to where resistance currently is. And you guys can tell it. Back in July 2022, the market in Tron got hung up right there around 7.072 cents right here. So this is where sellers are positioned. And then the same thing happened right there. On the 8th of February, the market in Tron got rejected. So that is confirmation that there's more selling going on at that price than there were people willing to buy. Now we're still seeing how the market is still bullish. So we're still antsy and still looking for the market and trying to go higher. Take a look at this 2-day price bar right there. Now, when you see a price bar like this, okay, this is massive weakness being indicated on the chart. You would expect price to go down, but instead, the following 2 days, you all can see that price went up instead. So this is still a relatively strong market. We have 13 hours and 9 minutes left on this current 2-day price bar, and it still looks healthy. Here it is on the 3-day. What about the 5-day chart? Take a look. Just like on the 2-day time frame, look at that 5-day price bar there. Did the market go down following it? No, it didn't. It went up instead. So we're getting indications from the market that Tron is still relatively bullish. And I will tell you again, on a weekly chart, in the next 4 days and 14 hours, if this market closes, this current weekly price bar closes the way that it looks now in the next 4 days and 14 hours, then we're going to continue to expect price to trend higher in Tron. Okay, maybe even come all the way up to 7.5 cents to 8 cents. Those would be my second price target. So I'm done. Let me go ahead and put this on the chart because we're going to continue to be bullish into the market in Tron. Now our first price target is going to be here where the prior area of resistance came in. That's 3.99%. We already know we want to jump the ship before it begins to sink again, just like it did here on the 8th of February. So at least let us grab that 4%. If the buyers are not willing to buy Tron at that level, we'll at least get the 4% out the way. But like I said, in the next 4 days, if that weekly price bar looks the way that it looks, let's go back a couple of seconds. Then we're going to look for the market to go to 7.5. Okay, so that's 8.9%. Okay, so let me show you on the magnifying glass. First target. Let me go ahead and bring that back so you guys can see it. which was like 4% right there, 0.071. That's our first target. Second target was at 7.5 cents. You guys can see that's 9.14% move higher, 7.5 cents there. And then my third one is going to be around 8 cents, which is around 16.5% move higher. You guys can see it there. Okay, 16.5. Got it? Cool. So I'm done. First thing I'm going to do, I'm going to continue to expect the upward trend to continue in Tron. It's definitely strong because the market's not even coming down to this prior trend. We're even considering and seeing another trend form into the market in Tron here too. So let me go ahead and cut this last trend line out the way. And I want our attention to be focused on this current trend that is being created in the market in Tron. Okay, so give me your thoughts. I am done. We pay attention to the market and nothing else, because ultimately how people feel dictates what price is going to go. So give me your thoughts. Make sure you maintain a profitability, and as always, trade different.